What up, Gas Nation? I already marinated the chicken. I have the chicken already here with I'll show you, garlic powder. I put salt. I put black pepper, and I put onion powder. Guys, I'm gonna try to do this. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Like I showed you guys, I already marinated the chicken and I'm gonna wrap it. So we'll see if it's either a fail or not. I did it before, but I used picks, those wooden toothpicks to hold it in. This time, I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll figure it out. Guys, so I'm using original bacon. So I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna see how much I'm gonna use. I already preheated my oven, so I cut up little pieces and I already marinated it. So I'm gonna just see how much bacon. I wish I could show it. Hold on a minute. Let me see if I could. I'm not gonna put too much. I'll probably use half of a slice of bacon for each because they're small pieces of chicken. So what I did was I took it and I just wrapped it in the bacon. And I'm gonna put it on the, let me see if I could. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Let me see if I can hold it in my hand. So I have that little piece. Some of them are bigger. I'm gonna take a piece and put it in here. Okay. Now, this is not gonna work with one hand, but at least I'll give you guys an idea. And I'm gonna make white rice with that. This didn't come out too good. I'm just wrapping it. Hopefully it sticks. So I got two there. And now I'm gonna keep on doing it. I'm gonna keep on doing this. See what happens. And I got longer pieces that I didn't cut, that I can like pack for lunch tomorrow at work. So I did this, the bigger one, like that, and I'll put that to the side. It's just longer. They're all the same. Harry, I saw your video, so I'm doing it now. I just cut mine smaller. But I'm not putting, I didn't get the gravy for it. Which I wanted to try with that gravy. That'll look amazing. So here's another one. That's what I got so far. Don't mind my rolling. I was trying to save pieces of bacon. That's why I made the small ones, and I was wrapping a little bit too much. Then I got rice and I got corn that I'm gonna be making on the side with it. So this is already preheated, and I'm gonna put this inside of the oven.
You want me to show them?
What?
Or you want to leave it like that?
I'm gonna put it in for like, I'm gonna check on it constantly, but I'm maybe about 30 minutes. We'll keep on looking. I'm gonna wash my hands now. I got my rice pot, my rice little thing. I'm gonna get in my rice pot like my brother was making fun of me earlier. I'm gonna put some butter. All right. And of course I went and put it inside the drawer that I'm gonna need to open constantly, but not no more. Go ahead. Guys, I'm taking a good majority because I'm not putting olive oil. I'm not putting no type of oil. I'm gonna make it buttery. So, putting that butter in there. I told you guys I like to use the Jasmine Carolina rice. That's my favorite rice. Plain rice. I want to do 2 cups of rice. The 2 cups of rice, I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3 cups of water. So a cup and a half for each cup of rice. Some salt. Comment like that.
Read the comments like that.
Little bit of onion powder, not much. Just gonna give it a little bit of flavor in. And then a little teeny bit of garlic powder. And then it tastes real good with the butter. Now I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna have this on high. You guys will be able to see it now. I'm gonna constantly stir at this one because it will stick. I'm actually gonna put a little bit more butter in here. I wish I had. I can't believe it's not butter, but I don't. All right, guys, so you see it boiling right now? This little pot, okay? Putting the remaining of the butter, a little bit of butter that I have left. I'm gonna melt that. Melt it. All right. Sometimes I just drain all the water and I put butter, let it melt, cook, let it melt. Or sometimes I'll go ahead and I'll grab the can with the butter and the juice and add a little bit of sugar to it. Just a little bit, and then I drain it. It actually comes out really, really good, but I'm not putting no sugar today. I'm just putting the butter, letting it melt. I'm gonna drain this water. While this is melting, sticking the corn in here. All right, and I'm gonna just put that on low. I'm gonna mix it real quick, and I'm gonna keep on, and I'm making a mess. I'm just getting it buttery right now. I love corn and butter. It's really good with sugar. No lie. So a little bit of sugar in there with the butter. It's really, really good. So that, ooh, damn it. You guys seeing it right now? Can you guys see it? I gotta clean my stove. My stove got messed up. Alright, let me show you guys the rice right now. It's still cooking. I gotta move it around. She's eating pie. She's eating chips and dip. She's on a roll over here. You guys are starting to fluff. It's starting to fluff up. Now, going back to the rice again. Guys, the rice is done. Now, let's look at the chicken. I had to eat a lot of it. Guys, this is, ooh. Let's not burn my phone. I gotta clean the bottom of my stove ASAP.
You wanna go outside, Ari?
Guys, this is what it's looking like. Guys, seeing it?
Yeah.
You see it? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, look at the bottom of my stove. I don't know how it got like that, guys. Bacon. Alright, you guys are seeing it?
Rise up.